In your memo, you talked about the Comey decision, and you talk about obstruction of justice, and you already went over that, which I appreciate. You wrote on page 1 that a president persuading a person to commit perjury would be obstruction. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Or any person who persuades
person.
another to, yeah.
Okay. You also said that a president or any person convincing a witness to change testimony would be obstruction. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And on page 2, you said that a president deliberately impairing the integrity or availability of evidence would be an obstruction. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And so what if a president told a witness not to cooperate with an investigation or hinted at a pardon?
You know, I'd have to know the specific. I'd have to know the specific facts.
Okay. And you wrote on page 1 that if a president knowingly destroys or alters evidence, that would be obstruction.
Yes.
Okay. So what if a president drafted a misleading statement to conceal the purpose of a meeting? Would that be obstruction?
Again, you know, I'd have to know the specifics.
All right.
I'll just take a couple of seconds to see if I can help clarify this, because I think it's been a very interesting hearing. So if there was some reason to believe that the president tried to coach somebody not to testify or testify falsely, that could be obstruction of justice.
Yes, under that. Yeah, under an obstruction statute. Yes.
So if there's some evidence that the president tried to conceal evidence, that would be obstruction of justice potentially, right?
Right.
Your point is just simply firing somebody, which is a personnel decision, is problematic for the system.
Right. Especially if you. What I'm saying is that doesn't fit under that statute.
No, I got you.
Show me some other statute, but that statute, no.
Yeah. Okay.